Guys, nakakaputi na kami kasi umambon na naman siya. So guys, sana mahawak ko kayo maayos yung cam ko.
Sabi, tinggal ako. How many of those doing it? Belakang 4. Come sit.
Can you please hold it? Thank you. Thank you.
Breakfast in front. First on the handlebar. Pull all the way to the back. All the way.
Okay.
Pull all the way to the back. Pull all the way to the back. Same. Pull all the way to the back. All the way to the back. All the way. This is your stop. Okay? Anytime you want to stop or slow down, just pull behind. To move forward, release slowly. Release slowly, bit by bit.
Is this correct?
Left and right. Forward. Stop. Still one moving. Stop.
Mauna ka, Kel. Kel, mauna ka na. Mauna ka na, Kel. Hi.
Okay, and stop.
Oh.
Alright, go. Forward.
Guys, ang ganda, guys.
Kak. 11 seconds and 3. Okay, your bags put in front, your bag. Okay, Kak, move in there. Stand on the green here. 1, 2, and 3. Coming. Wala na ko yung ano, mag-download muna kayo ng nakapila dyan. Takot mo na ito, mami.
Guys, ito na yung part na sobrang taas. As in talaga ang ulo ko nakatingin lang sa langit kasi feeling ko mahuhulog ako. Guys, wala dito harang lang yung bar. Diyan sa part na yan, meron dyan kukuha ng picture. Kaya syempre, smile ka at alam mong kinakabahan ka. Orap.
Bitawan mo yan.
Hindi. Guys, kinakabahan ako. Actually, apat. Sabi ko, Miguel, last ko na to. Guys, Lord. Anyway, malapit na kami. Sige.
Yung mga ano nga ho, tignan nyo.
Okay, next time sa gitna ako, ha. Okay. Lapit na. Yan, oh, diba? It's so exciting.
Hindi ba nga first po dyan? Oo nga, kasi first time natin. Tapos siguro tayo, second time. Oo. Ito mga diretso. Alright, so ready, 1, 2.
Grabe guys! Nakakatakot! I hate heights talaga. Oh. Grabe, hindi ako kumikilos kanina. Nakatingin lang ako sa taas kasi feeling ko mahuhulog ako guys. Pangalawa to. Maging pangalawa na. Tatlo pa to guys. Tatlo pa. Guys, ito na yung pang second at third time namin pagsakay. Kaya lang, nung pang-apat na, grabe buhos ng ulan, kaya hindi na kami tumuloy.